Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge. This is our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the all-new 2025 Premier O-Scale RS-11 low-hood diesel locomotive featuring all-new model tooling in 6 schemes this fall. Each item will be limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2025. Available road names include Lehigh Valley, Delaware and Hudson, Buffalo Southern, Green Bay and Western, Conrail Lehigh Valley Patch, and Southern Pacific. The suggested retail price is $649.95. MTH will also be producing 3 exclusive and uncatalogued low-nose RS-11 diesels for public delivery track. Road names include Genesee Valley, Batten Kill, and Apache Railway. Expected to arrive this fall, the early order price for these models is $589.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale GP7 diesel locomotive in Pittsburgh and Lake Erie colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers and in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis, with an anticipated arrival date of August 2025. The early order price is $569.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale F7 diesel locomotive in unique Santa Fe bluebonnet colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The locomotives are available in authentic cab numbers in powered A and non-powered A or B units. They will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in September 2025. The early order price for powered F7As is $559.95. The early order price for non-powered F7A diesels is $239.95, and non-powered F7Bs are also $239.95. MTH Electric Trains will be producing 3 exclusive and uncatalogued 440 American-type steamers for Mr. Muffin's trains. In addition to the Philadelphia and Reading model announced last week, there will also be models decorated for Louisville and Nashville and Monon. Matching passenger car sets will also be available for all 3 of these exclusive models. The early order price for the locomotives is $944.96 each. The 64-foot passenger cars have an early order price of $449.96 for the 4-car set, $224.96 for the 2-car set, and $112.46 for the individual coach. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive and uncatalogued 440 American-type steamer and passenger car set decorated for the Richmond and Danville Railroad for the Train Loft. Pricing and artwork for these have not yet been released. MTH Electric Trains will also be producing a series of exclusive and uncatalogued 64-foot passenger car sets in a variety of road names for public delivery track. These cars are a great match for the new MTH 440 American steamer. Road names include Unlettered, New York, Ontario and Western, Rutland, Black River and Western, and Raritan River. The 4-car sets are priced at $539.95, 2-car sets are priced at $269.90, and individual coaches are available for $129.95. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and be sure to subscribe and click on notifications to keep up with the most up-to-date information. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.